How to manage orders on Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial, it will be plain and easy. It's for how to set up or how to manage your orders on your Shopify store. So first of all, you need to head over to the shopify.com website and open your account. Go to the store you want to edit, then head over to the settings option, or you can just directly go to orders, draft or abandoned checkout. So you can select a plan so your orders can show up here. I will open a different account for you so you can see how it would look like on an already built up website that's already getting sales. So let's head over to the second account. For example, for this website, it has 34 orders so far. So here in the orders section, you can check out different orders and their dates, the customer name, the total of the money, the payment status, fulfillment status, how many items were ordered, the delivery status and the delivery method, along with the tags. With this is the app, this is the checkout app I'm using for this website. So you can either create an order manually or export your orders to an Excel file or a different file on your PC. So now for the total orders, we can click on the last order we received today at 5 a.m. Now it has 3 different products. So we can click on fulfill items, mark as paid, or we can send an invoice. We can also leave a comment for the timeline of the delivery. There are also the different personal information of the customer that we can call to confirm the order and do other stuff. You can also print the order page or the packing slips. You can restock, and you can duplicate or archive or view order status page. You can even cancel your order, and you can make a refund if you don't work through cash on delivery. Now, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.